I'm doing nothing. Oh, I'm everything but still I'm sad. Before the people were talking. Now there's this strange silence, pretending everything is okay, but I'm busy. Oh, where was the last time I smiled? Where was the last time I was happy? When did I stop? Why did I stop? Caring about my sin. Oh, I've got new friends, TV, my phone and the PC. Oh, it's 5 hours later, 3 in the morning. Oh, my friends, they never stop talking to me. Oh, it's a fucked up, but why you agree? Oh, where was the last time I smiled? When was the last time I was happy? Oh, when did I stop? Oh, why did I stop? Caring about my shit.